Good morning! I am celebrity chef Mariko and your eHow food expert. Today I'm going to show you how to make pancakes without eggs, yeast, or butter. This is a delicious recipe and you probably have most of the ingredients to make it right away. To get started, I have a medium mixing bowl. Then I'm going to add. You can use regular flour, whole wheat flour, even a gluten-free flour blend. Again, whatever type of flour you would normally have on hand. Then I'm going to add a cup of milk. You can use regular milk, soy milk, almond milk. This is a coconut milk that I'm using today. And if you don't have milk, you could probably use some water instead and it would still taste delicious. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. This recipe has more baking powder than you would normally put in pancakes, but it's because it takes the place of the eggs helping it rise. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar to make it a little sweet, and you can use some agave nectar or whatever you would normally use. And then a splash of oil. This is going to be about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use canola oil, coconut oil, what you would normally have on hand. Now I'm just going to whisk everything together until smooth. All right, now that my pancake batter is beaten together, I'm going to put it on my griddle. It's been heating at medium-high heat. And for each pancake, I'm going to use about a tablespoon of batter. My pancakes have been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes, and now they're ready to flip. Let's see. Perfect. They're nice and golden brown. Look how fluffy they are. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make pancakes without eggs, butter, or yeast. Enjoy.